feel namin.
Feel na feel namin yung pagkanta. Tsaka makikita mo si Camille, sumisilip siya kasi lagi kang papagalitan kapag magulo kami. Alam mo naman na, no, kasi nung bata kami, mahilig kami. In fact, yung buong VHS na yun, pinagalitan kami doon dahil...
Hindi, marami pa yun. It's
Madami
not
pa
just
yun.
that. Marami pa yun.
May inauguration kasi yung Barrio Fiesta, yung restaurant ng daddy ko sa States noon. And then na-tape over namin yung VHS.
Plus, na-tape over namin kasi my dad used to love going deep sea fishing.
Ay, shucks,
so, meron siyang isang...
Lake Tahoe?
No. Meron siyang isang...
Florida?
Hawaii. Meron siyang isang deep sea fishing na video. That's the biggest one he caught, which was 380 something pounds. Na the whole time, yun yung galing yung video kami. So, yun yung na-tape over namin ng Dark Forest.
Galit na galit.
Hello?
We had a good childhood.
Yeah,
Actually,
very
feeling
good
ko-
childhood.
Camille! Camille, magpawala ka nga.
I'm gonna disappear.
Oh, ba't sumama si MM?
We're rats. Ako din. I'm gonna disappear. We're gonna disappear. Oh, saan sila pumunta? Here.
Kasi siya lagi binabaliktad niya yung story.
Hoy, grabe, hindi
She'd only appear to be parang mabait, pero siya yung...
Maniwala ka dyan.
Magugulat
Mabait
ka na
talaga.
lang.
Mukha lang talaga akong matari.
Hindi, magugulat ka na lang.
That's why that's their
because
biggest misconception.
ginagawa
Pero
niya,
totoo,
pag
mabait
hindi
ako
mo alam,
inside.
hindi ka nakatingin, yung muta niya, didikita
Ay,
niya.
oy,
Tapos
sorry.
sabi niya, what's this? Sabi niya, sabi ko, what? Tapos mami, konti, makikita mo, may muta ka na malaki o kulangot sa shoulder.
I never
so,
do
syempre,
that.
magpipikon ka.
No.
Tapos, pag napikon ka, makikita ka na
Nangangalmot yan si Heart.
Because
Nagsasabunot.
Because I'm frustrated because she'll always badger me. Tapos all of a sudden, ako pa yung mali. Pero
Kaya
siya
ang
naman
tawag
yung
ko sa kanya
naglalagay
nung
ng
bata
kulangot.
kami, Heart Hogan. Kasi talagang binubugbog niya ako nung bata kami. Si Heart kasi, for the longest time, she was the youngest, even sa cousins. So parati siya yung saling kid.
Oo.
Kaya
Ayaw nila ako pa ng
actually,
damit.
looking back at
So
it,
mean.
nakakaawa. Kasi
Super.
saling kid siya.
Yes! Habol ako ng habol. And bilis ko tumakbo. Wala naman sa akin.
Nagtatag.
Oo. Shake, shampoo, shake, shake, ako shake. Tapos walang nagpapahiram. Sabi ko talaga kapag ako nag-artista, di ko talaga papahiram. Nobody would lend me clothes. You never lent me clothes.
Heart, we had the same. Hindi
In a
lang tayo
different
same
country.
size. Mali
Yeah,
lang yung
but
memory
then
mo
the
nun.
checkered dress, I remember it was a checkered dress. Looks
Meron
like
ka
a
noon
60s.
checkered jumpsuit.
Yeah, but I didn't have it in the strip and nobody would lend me the clothes. And then, syempre, we would sleep in one bed, tapos ako lagi sa paahan. Sabi ko, pag ako naging artista, hindi ko kaya papahiramin ng damit. I was never a bully.
I was also never a bully.
We were never bullies.
In fact, growing up, in school, yung mga nabubully, ginagawa ko pang friends. Kasi naaawa ko. Heart was always bullied.
In school,
so, parati
I
ako may kaaway. Actually, hanggang ngayon, marami yung kaaway dahil sa kanya.
Yeah.
Hindi dahil sa akin.
Totoo naman din yun, kasi matapang talaga siya. So talagang takot na takot sa kanya yung mga nambubuli sa akin.
Kasi there was one time, meron kaming family friend na barkada ni Heart sa school. So, pinuntahan niya ako sa high school. Tapos sabi niya, Camille, you have to go to your sister. She's hiding in the bathroom. Hindi siya makakain. Sabi ko, bakit hindi makakain? Kasi inaabangan siya sa gym. So, pupunta ako sa CR, sa grade school department, and then, I'd get her, and then, anahin ko, and then, yun na. So, ako na yung pumunta sa gym. Siyempre, inaway ko lahat ng kaaway niya. I think kasi all my life, I've always been the
Peacemaker in the family.
Always.
Siya lagi.
I always have to, in fact, all the time
Physically be in the middle.
of everything.
Of
Even growing
everyone,
up, you know,
everything.
whether it's my parents or my siblings, everything. Parati ako yung sa gitna. Siyempre, sometimes nakakapagod din because parang wala kang problema sa life mo. Pero problema mo is the people around you. But like with her and mom, it was really an answered prayer for me because I always would try, because that's mom. Time is precious. So I'm very happy. Yun, tumingin sa kanya. I'm very happy. Super. I'm happy to see them together. Happy ako na when I go to Heart's house na usually ako lang yung nag-visit doon. Biglang pagdating ko, doon na si mom. So I'm happy. If I had advice for her, I want her to enjoy life more. She always says, no promise, Camille, I'm gonna enjoy life more. I'm gonna enjoy life more. But she doesn't. What's in Greece? What's in Rome? What's there to see? Wala. She just goes, work, hotel, work, hotel, work. Yung parang...
Kuya, i-change na East, diba? Lumabas tayo last...
Konti, pero kulang pa din.
Okay.
Diba?
I never had a moment that I told her so. Because she was always a few steps ahead sa akin. She was always wiser than me.
We got a, sister tattoo together. Pero dinagdagan niya yung sa kanya. Ako naiwan ng ganito.
And that was our sister bonding episode with me, Heart, and
Camille.
I'll see you again next week. Dito lang sa Heart World. Ano ba talaga ang trabaho ni Heart? And then when I push, follow my direction.
Ang ganda!
Dami na naman nagtatag sa akin, Ate Madine, ha? Keep doing it, the more I'll be blessed. Ay, dagda! Oh my God.
We're all
Thank you so much, G.